Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Exploring contemporary dining table trends is a fascinating journey into the heart of interior design, offering fresh ideas to enhance spacious home interiors. These trends reflect a departure from conventional dining steps, embracing innovation and aesthetics. One notable trend is the preference for larger dining tables, accommodating family and friends comfortably. The use of extendable table is on the rise, offering flexibility in seating while maintaining a sense of space. Materials such as wood, glass, and marbles are popular choices, bringing a touch of luxury to the dining area. Wood adds warmth, glass imparts a sense of openness, and marble exudes elegance. Table shapes have evolved beyond traditional rectangular forms, with oval and round tables gaining popularity. These shapes promote inclusivity and conversation. Dining tables with integrated solutions offer practicality, making it easy to keep dining table essential, organized, and accessible. Lighting, another critical element in dining spaces, plays a significant role. Pendant lights and chandeliers are used to create focal points and add ambience to the area. In conclusion, contemporary dining table trends are a spacious home interior embrace versatility, aesthetics, and functionality. They cater to various design preferences and contribute to a welcoming and stylish dining environment that complements modern living spaces. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.